Madam. I am Rochelle Tornilla, 25 years old. I have one child and separated. I work as a domestic helper in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, washing and ironing clothes, cooking, and taking care of a child.
Hi, Miss Richelle. How are you right now?
Sir, Madam, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, what are the advantages of the employers if ever they will hire you?
Sir, Madam, it must be honest, kind, and hardworking.
Can you tell us the proper way in how to take care of the children?
Sir, Madam, give them food and vitamins, taking care of them, taking a bath, and love them as my own.
So what if you commit a mistake, what will you do?
Sir, Madam, I will say sorry and promise not to do it again.
Okay, what is your last message or promise to your future employer?
Sir, Madam, please hire me. I need this job to support my family. I promise to finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Richelle, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.